I'm meteorologist Carl Bonack. Welcome to Upper Michigan Source Weather on Demand for Friday, November the 21st. It was another cold day. The high officially as of late afternoon, 20 degrees. The low occurred after midnight in the wee hours of 2 degrees. Put it all together, 17 degrees below average. It actually got below zero, but that was before midnight. So that low was registered for the 20th. And this high temperature will probably go up a couple of degrees because, well, readings are starting to warm up. But it's been cold through the first 3 weeks. The mean high temperature 29, the low 16. That puts us through the 21st just over 10 degrees below average. Again, it is starting to warm up. We've got a westerly flow aloft that's developing. Look for a lot of clouds this weekend. And a couple of systems we're keying in on. A Pacific storm that's now moving into the Pacific Northwest with rain and mountain snows all the way down to Northern California. And another system that came in out of the Northwest through California is now trekking through the southwestern U.S. These two systems will join forces and produce active weather for us starting late in the weekend into the first of next week. Here's what's going on now. We've got a westerly flow aloft, and that's why things are warming up this Friday evening. Watch what happens. By Monday, we expect a deep trough to be forming over the central portion of North America again, and this will support the coalescence of those two low pressure systems just to our east. And as the low moves to the northeast with this deep trough around, we should have a lot of lingering moisture, and that means rain that will gradually change to snow. First off, early in the day in the western UP, and that will gradually move to the east. There is a chance of some significant snowfall in roughly the northwest half of Upper Michigan during Monday and Monday night. But on Saturday, temperatures will warm up to above freezing, probably in all locations. In a few spots just above, we're expecting a southwesterly wind as the main cold front stays up to our north, and the main system still developing well to the south in the far southern plains of Texas and also off to the northwest. The first surge of moisture should stay basically to our south, where there is a freezing rain advisory for parts of Iowa, Illinois, into the lower peninsula for the morning hours. If there's any precipitation, it would be in the east, and that would be in the form of a little freezing drizzle, so keep that in mind, at least for early in the day on Saturday. Then on Sunday morning, the main lows are still out to the west, still rather disorganized, while the main cold front is up to the north. We look for clouds, and we'll watch this area of rain as it advances to the north. Now, with cold road surfaces, even though it gets above freezing, and it should be above freezing in all locations, there's a chance of some slippery spots when the rain first starts. So keep that in mind during the day on Sunday, even into Sunday evening as this system starts to get its act together. This low that should be near St. Louis Sunday evening will become the main storm. It'll deepen and head up toward the Straits by late Sunday night, early Monday morning, and then gradually move to the northeast. Then the cold air works in behind the system, changing over the precipitation. Your TV 6-day forecast, a couple of days of above average temperatures. Sunday probably the most above average. Then we start to cool on Monday, and it looks like it's back to the cold pattern. And by Thanksgiving, we'll likely have some lake effect snow showers, and temperatures will be more reminiscent of Christmas rather than Thanksgiving.